amigos y amigas, my name is Jonathan Echavarria. I am the on-premise multicultural account manager for New Jersey. Fedway Associates, we're actually here today at the laboratory in Basking Ridge, and today we're going to be making a pink dragon cocktail with Casa Dragones super premium tequila. So what you'll need for the pink dragon cocktail is some Prosecco, our ultra premium Casa Dragones tequila Blanco, lime juice, and a rich raspberry syrup. All right, so we start off with a ½ ounce of lime juice. This is our citrus element, okay? And then we're gonna do an ounce of our raspberry syrup. And then finish off with 2 ounces of Casa Dragones Blanco tequila. And that's it, we're ready to shake. So this cocktail is great for the summer. Again, the citrus element to it. And then we'll strain our cocktail. And we're gonna top it off with Prosecco just to add a little bit of dryness. It comes out in a very beautiful pink color. And there you have it, the pink dragon. Salud.